Today, I'm showing you how to fix the taskbar not showing in Windows 11. Let's get started. Method 1. Restart Windows Explorer. Step 1. Open Task Manager. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape together on your keyboard. These three keys pressed simultaneously will open Task Manager. Step 2. Find Windows Explorer. In Task Manager, go to the Processes tab if you're not already there. Scroll down through the list until you find Windows Explorer. Step 3. Restart Explorer. Right-click on Windows Explorer and select Restart from the menu. Your screen may flicker briefly. This is normal. The taskbar should now reappear at the bottom of your screen. Method 2. Check Taskbar Auto Hide Settings. Step 1. Open Settings. If the taskbar still doesn't show, press Windows key plus I together. This opens Windows Settings. Step 2. Go to Personalization. In Settings, click on Personalization in the left sidebar. Step 3. Access Taskbar Settings. Scroll down and click on Taskbar to open Taskbar configuration options. Step 4. Check Taskbar Behaviors. Scroll down to find Taskbar Behaviors and click on it to expand the section. Step 5. Disable Auto Hide. Look for Automatically Hide the Taskbar. If this option is checked, your taskbar is hiding automatically. Uncheck this option so the taskbar stays visible at all times. Your taskbar should now appear. Step 6. Restart your computer. Right-click the Start button, select Shut Down or Sign Out, then Restart. After restarting, your taskbar should be visible and working properly. And that's it. Your Windows 11 taskbar should now be visible and functioning normally using one of these methods.